Welcome back to the Beautycarryout. Let's do a facial, shall we? Welcome back to the channel, guys. The first step in successfully executing any facial is to open the pores on the surface of your face. To do this, I'm going to first apply a light mist of steam over her face, not directly on her skin, nor too close, because I'm going to put her skin through a few steps, and if I apply the heat incorrectly, I risk burning her skin, which may create irritation and possible scarring. Once her pores are relaxed, I'm going to apply a mild facial rice water cleanser that you can see here that will allow me access to any dirt and oils trapped or lingering on the skin. I'm applying steam throughout each step that gets me closer to what the goal is: clean and healthy skin. So as you can see here, after I've used an exfoliating sponge, I'm now using a facial tool that massages the skin, which will also help relax her pores and facial muscles. I highly recommend using an exfoliating sponge first, and then any other cleansing device of your choice. So I'll show a comparison in a later video of how the sponge and the cleansing tool performs. If you don't use anything at all, please use the sponge, because that's what's going to break up and break through anything on the skin. Once I've completed the cleansing stage, it's time to remove any unwanted facial hairs. Now, this step is known to many as oil planning. Beautycarryout's pre-face oil formula is very effective and rich in emollients. It does a great job at helping protect the skin barrier and increase the glide, which reduces the risk of irritation and nicks. When doing this step, you want to hold your blade at a 45-degree angle and use short downward strokes. Depending on the area of the face, you may also slightly pull the skin taut for a safe and comfortable removal process. Any other way may result in unintentionally cutting the skin. Now it's time to apply Beautycarryout's Yummy Organic Green Mud Mask. It's safe for all skin types and has been very effective with removing blackheads, acne treatment, pore minimizing, blemishes, and much more. So as I apply the mask to her skin, I'm trying to keep it as consistent as possible when it comes to the thickness needed to see positive results. Customers who have used this mask rave about its results. They love the natural ingredients, it being free from toxins and chemicals. So after it's been on the skin for no more than 15 minutes, I am removing it with warm water and leaving the skin damp. Next, I'm using another very beneficial skin tool known as a microdermabrasion. There's so many benefits to offer this procedure during or before and after a facial, depending on when you had it last. I recommend microdermabrasion if your skin needs a deep exfoliation, if you need to improve skincare absorption, which is normally because of dead skin buildup, if your skin lacks smoothness and softness, and a heap of other skin problems that go deeper than the surface. So my goal as I use this device is to unclog stubborn pores, remove black and white heads, and help in the areas where there's acne. If you give it a good 5 minutes, you will see results immediately. And I've never had one complaint because it's painless and it gives effective results. So the first thing that I've done is I've added a mild lubrication or oil to help loosen up the skin, which will make the removal process comfortable. You can use coconut oil, but nothing too heavy in order to avoid ineffective results and clogging your pores, in addition to what we're already needing to remove from your pores. Because of the suction in the wand, I'm not applying much pressure. The suction in my wand is doing the work for me. I am being sure to gently pull the skin taut to avoid folds until that I can get the most effective results. Now that I've completed this step, I am again using steam to moisten the face as I wipe her skin down to remove any product or buildup that may be on the skin's surface. You see the immediate glow in her skin and the difference versus how the skin was prior to the microdermabrasion process. My next step, I am now adding a gentle cleanser which has turmeric, which also promotes clear and radiant skin. This next step is one of my favorite steps, and that's applying a jelly mask, which refreshed, hydrates, and revitalizes the skin, removing all of the unhealthy dirt and oils from the skin. It leaves us with a blank canvas. It feels cooling and is very calming to the skin. I've also included Beautycarryout's Aloe Vera Booster, which heals and helps recover skin almost immediately, regardless of where it's applied to the body. I'm going to allow this mask to sit for 20 minutes and then remove it. Now, I'm applying our leave-on exfoliant, and you'll see in just a few seconds. In my opinion, this is a necessary step in order to get the most out of a facial. A facial, as you've seen, can be very rewarding and effective. In addition, by using the leave-on exfoliant, which reinforces the product and the health of your skin well after you've had a facial, it targets all of the reasons for getting a facial, and with use over time, your skin will feel so much healthier. It's effective for all skin types. It can be applied with a cotton round, facial brush, or even your fingers. Gently press the product into the skin, and I'm allowing it to air dry before I apply anything else. For more information, as well as before and after shots from reviews, you can find those on beautycarryout.com. Now in this next phase coming up, I am introducing to the skin everything it's been missing, like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, collagen, which repairs damaged skin cells, and skin deep hydration. So these serums, when applied to the skin correctly, will train your skin to perform better, and they will also help fight everything that can damage skin and clog pores. I am applying each serum to the face, starting from the middle of the face. I am moving in an outward direction, making sure I start in the T-zone area, which is the forehead, nose, and chin, that can produce excess sebum, which is oily skin for those that don't know, compared to the other parts of the face. Excess sebum combined with dead skin cells can form a plug inside your pores, resulting in blackheads and pimples. I am massaging each serum into the skin separately so they each can perform at its best. I don't recommend combining them together because each serves its own special purpose. Once I have applied them all, I am following up with my heated and cooling massage tool that helps me add warmth to the skin where the products have been applied. Again, heat on the skin is the best way to relax your muscles and pores. This, in my opinion, is another effective tool because it is giving the products applied to the skin the best way to get effective results and give great results. 42 degrees is the maximum heat level, which is very comfortable. The bigger side of this tool is for the face, while the smaller side is used around the eyes. The smart timer allows you 2 to 5 minutes of whichever temp you choose while it gently massages the skin. Once it stops, I'm going to apply a moisturizer and place the device on the cool setting of 10 degrees. The cool is applied to seal your pores and lock in all of the products that have been distributed onto your skin. Once the device goes off, it's time for the last step, which is massaging. I'm using our 2-in-1 electric facial massager. I personally enjoy the T-shape and 3D roller because it can fit in hard to reach areas on the face, and it can also be purchased on the Beautycarryout website. Using it consistently is a great practice to reduce stress lines, wrinkles, and also relax facial muscles. I recommend using it in the morning and before bed for no more than 5 minutes. All products used will be listed in the description box. Thank you for watching, and God bless. We'll see you next time.